Hello, I'm Fernando from Mart Restaurant Supply. I just picked up this Robot Coupe Immersion blender from the MP series at my local Mart. They had it when I needed it now. What can I say? These immersion blenders are very important for every food service operation. They allow you to process bulk foods like that to cut down labor and time, helping your savings. So, enough talking. Let's crack this bad boy open. Right here, I have the MP 450 series. Mart also carries the 550 series, which is a bit longer and a bit more powerful. But in the box, the first thing we see is the user manual. It's in different languages, so if talar svenska, you've got it. It also comes with a handy maintenance picture LED guide right here, so you can keep it for your reference to ensure lasting use of your unit. All right, now to the accessories. Right here, we have the silicone splash guard. This splash guard mounts onto the shaft of the immersion blender to keep splashes off of your hands and away from your face. Second, we have some blade accessories. This is a lock and a loosener. So you put this onto the blade itself, and the other side goes onto the other side of the tip. You can either loosen it to clean it or replace the blades, or tighten it when you're putting it back on. And the last accessory each of these include is a wall mount. So when not in use, you don't have to leave it laying on a table or put it on the floor or anything. Hangs right into the wall, suspended in the air, enhancing food safety. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Right here, we have the immersion blender tip. The tip is made out of brushed stainless steel and regular stainless up here on the top to ensure that it resists acids and gives you lasting use without corroding. The inside right here features stainless steel blades which will work through any of your ingredients. Like I said, it can blend whole ingredients, just like that. And last but not least, we have the immersion blender shaft. The shaft is also made out of brushed stainless steel right here, which again resists corrosion for lasting use. The motor features a metal casing which further protects it from liquids like juices and your general mixes. The motor can also output up to 1.1 horsepower, ensuring that you can work through any ingredients you throw in a stock pot. This specific model, the MP 450, can handle capacities of up to 100 quart stock pots, while the 550 can handle 200 quart stock pots. The handle is also curved for ergonomics, so if you're putting it into a pot, you just hit the button right here and you're ready to get blending. And last but not least, it plugs right into a wall, so you avoid any batteries and there's no extra need for any extra electrical work. So let me put this thing together and we'll see how simple it is. So first, I'm going to grab my splash shield and work it onto the shaft. There you go. Now protected. And we're going to lock the tip onto the shaft itself as well. All right, just plug this thing in and we're ready to get blending. It's as simple and fast as that right out of the box. So if you want to shop more Robot Coupe products or food processing equipment, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstar locations today, or you can shop online at acemart.com.